Okay, so we are completed until the last topic was that is we just check the codes over here. So IBM 123 TCS 0 was my credit. Charge of account is done. Output tax is completed. Okay. I think I completed invoice level also. Invoice also is done. Incoming payment, standard half payment, partial payment, even this is also done. You just check that. Okay. So I think I have done customer invoice and clearing the payment, display get the payment. I told you how to place half payment and partial payment and residual payment. Then I showed you parking and holding of documents also in invoice level. Is it right, everyone? I have covered until here. I should start vendor invoice or vendor invoice is also done. Yes, Gaurav, Nitin, and Aman, three of you guys can tell me like until where I completed the last topic. This is done. Vendor invoice is done.
Was vendor payment only, the partial payment and the complete payment.
This is completed.
Yes.
Okay, then I have told you parking and holding also invoice level.
I think parking was done, but holding was not done, I think.
No, I think together I told you both. If I tell you, I'll tell this also.
You can repeat it today.
Fine, fine, no problem. Then I'll just tell you here how do we invoice, how do we park, and we post them. Okay, so for that we need to go for SAP here. So first of all, I'll pass one customer invoice here. That customer invoice I will park and hold them. Once again, I'll tell you. So for that we need to go for accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, FB70 invoice. So you go for FB70 invoice, and what we got to do is company code you need to change first. TS0 is my company code. So I change my company code. I'll select here my customer. So I won't post the entry. I will just park it and I show you how to post them. So what I will do, I will post it for Mumbai. I will post it for HP India. I will park it for HP India. 30/08 your date. How much amount I am parking? Let us take amount of any 15,000, 20,000, whatever is that. Calculate tax. I'll take it same. So to third party, I'll take a sales amount. Task code. What is my output tax for customer invoice? Output is 5T. So I take here 5T. 5T, 5T. It is here. Output tax for TC 0. My company code TC 0. Text as a plus I'll take. Then what I will do, I won't post this entry. Posting already you know how to do that. I'll park this document. So once when I click on a park here, what will happen here? It will show me document 1707 TC0 was parked. So where we display that parked document here. Invoice after the invoice is parked, FBL file for customer display. So what I will do, I'll go for another screen I'll open. I'll go for here FBL file and I'll check here all item, and what I will do here, I'll select that customer here. Which customer I'm just checking that. So I'm checking for the, I'm displaying for the second customer SP India. Here we should take this packed item here. It will show the packed item also. Now we'll execute it. So see here, what is the packed item? 1707. Packed it is. Document type DR is customer invoice. 15,000 is packed. Now I should post this entry. To post that, we have two ways to post here. There are two ways to post the entry. One is you can go with your document, Parker document, FBV0 can go here. And you can give the fiscal year 2021. If you want to check that, how many documents are there in a company which are parked in a certain document list here. Click on document list, you can give your company code here and your fiscal year and execute. You will see here how many documents are parked. There is only one now, which are parked. 1707. You can double click on this. You can edit and you can post this. 15,000. 15,000 is okay. So here also you can post an entry. So I will display here. Let us go for a change. The system is making work around. We'll go for here. FBV0 will go here, and I will give the fiscal year 2021, and I will remove this document number. Click on document list and click on execute. Here is the double click on this. You can repost from here. Okay, document number 1707. You can make a changes amount and you can repost it again. Otherwise, you can change it again. Still, you can keep in park if you want. Okay, here this is a one way. This is a one way where we can post the entry which was a park. Okay, another way is we can do it from the here. That is from the document entry. Here document parking is there here. You can go from here. From here also you can park or you can repost the entry. So click on tree on here. You can park item is there here. You can double click on this. So you will get the document same. Now suppose you think that you have posted wrong amount, so you can put that 30,000 and you put here 30,000. The amount was wrong which you parked, so you parked it because you were not sure that amount is something wrong or something different. That is why you parked the document. Now what I will do, I'll post it. If you want, if you wish, you can keep in a park. Otherwise, you can directly post it. Now I'll post 30,000. Document number 1707, which was parked. I'll post it. Document 170 posted. Now we'll go and check them. Here, we'll go to list and refresh. See, it has been posted. Open. You got it, Gaurav? Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Holding same as a parking. So for that, what we'll do, we'll go for FB70 and we will select the customer. I'll do it for second one, same Mumbai. The HP India, which I have was the second one. I'll give the date. I'll park. I will hold 30,000. Holding is done on temporary basis. Holding is done on temporary basis. That's why it will ask you temporary document number. I don't park it, I won't post it. I will hold it. So it will ask me temporary document number. Temporary document number, I'll give something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll hold this. So once I click on hold here, what will happen here now? Document 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 was held. So it doesn't display you here because it is not major level. It is temporary level. So it doesn't display you here. It doesn't show you here. It will show you here only. Tree on held document. It is there here. You can double click on this. You will find it here. So if you want to make any changes for this whole document, you can make a changes and you can post the entry. Then you can park or you can post also directly. Now document 1708. You can just go here and you can go to list and refresh. Total amount is 45,000 is balance, that is open. You got it everyone? Aman, Gaurav and Nitin, everyone is clear with this hold and post, holding and document and parking and holding, everyone is clear? Then I'll tell you vendor invoice how to do. Yes, everyone clear? Aman, Gaurav and Nitin, can you guys speak me? Can you guys tell me? You got it everyone? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Then let me start with the next topic, that is vendor invoice. Okay. I think I'm not on vendor invoice. So vendor invoice, what we do, it's the same as customer. If you understand customer, vendor is same to same we do. What we do here we sell the product, here we purchase invoice, vendor invoice. FBL, one is for display, vendor payment. I'll do and show you this. Okay, we'll go for take back. Yes. We'll go for accounts, pay, document entry, FP60. And we will select the change account TCS 0. Then I will select the vendor. So I select this HP India over here. Then I'll give a date. I'll give the amount. So same way, nothing is there. Here we'll take a purchasing. Here instead of customer, it comes a vendor addresses here. And I will take here the purchase account. Purchase account. Amount as a star. Input tax comes here. What is my input tax? It is T5. I take input tax and text as a plus here. After giving this thing, what I will do, I click on stimulate the entry. You see the entry is exactly correct. Then I will post this. So my amount 50,1601 was posted. To display that, where we go for customer, we use FBL 5N for customer. For vendor, we use FBL 1N. The code changes here. So what I will do, I'll go for here. Yeah. Display document, all items, TCS 0 company, which is the vendor, select that vendor. Enter here. First one, execute. Documents, document 1601, 15,000, purchasing from third party. So what I will do, I create this partial payment. Standard payment already you know how to do. Same way, nothing changes. For that we use a T code F-53 for outgoing payment here. For customer it is incoming payment F-28. For this it is F-53 outgoing payment. So for that what I will do, I'll take back here and here F-53. Double click on this, give a date, document type is vendor payment, company code. I take here cash paid. I take cash paid. One is the cash account, the ledger one. So one is a cash account. Then I'll take here the amount. What is the amount? 15 is there. I'll clear 555. First one, document entry process. So what is my document number? 1601. I'll process this and I'll go for partial payment. If you want, you can keep this in standard payment also, 10,000. So 10,000 will be standard payment amount. I'll go for partial. I'll double click on this. So 15,500 is going. Total balance will be 10,000. 1801 was posted. So I'll refresh here. See, 15,500 is gone, 10 is a balance. Same way again, we got to do the entry. Remaining 5,500. Same to same, vendor also same to same, nothing changes. What we do for customer, same for vendor. 1601, partial, 1802. 5,500 is gone, 5 is balance. 15 minus negative amount, then positive plus plus. Same way again. Remaining 5 amount. So balance will be 0. I'll make it 0 balance. 1601, partial, double click, save. 1803, 0 balance. So this is the way we do for the vendor, same to same what we do for customer. Okay, and the parking and holding also is same. The course I'll show you the course if you want a course. So for that we use a parking of document. FB60, we park a document from here. Let me show you park and show you one document. Click on park. So document 1602 is parked here. We'll go and check here. Here, 1602 15,000. So we need to repost the entry. So for that we use the parking of, here also you can go document parking, FV60. Otherwise you can go for document and pack a document, FVV0 also you can go. Two ways are there. You can double click on this, you can find and you can do it. Otherwise directly you can go for FV60 here. Trion you can check here, it will be displayed here. Double click on this, same to same. If you understand customer vendor is same to same. You can make a changes of amount if you want. Post it. 1602. 30,000, 30,000. This was a before balance. This is a KR document, 30,000. Now holding also same. Holding also comes under the same process. You can go for FB60. You can select the vendor, amount here, calculate tax. 301, and you can put the amount. You can click on hold. You can give temporary document number in here, anything. You can give anything here. 54321. Okay, can you like 4321 hold? So to show you, document 4321 was held. You can go here, same to same way. You can park it or you can post it. 1603, refresh. Here. So it is the same to same process for the customer. What you do, only the codes will change and one separate T codes will change. That's it. Everything will remain same. Are you guys got it? Everyone clear? Yes, Aman, Nitin, understood both of you guys?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me what kind of question you have.
The question is for the defined tax procedures that you have made the changes instead of tax SG. I have used the VAT one. So what exactly is that? I want to know.
Actually, what happened? See, different people follows a different their own procedure. Okay, some people have
Yeah.
created their own tax structure. Okay, so that we go for here. Here we go for financial accounting global setting, taxes and purchases basic setting. So what they do, they maintain their own tax country procedure, and that they assign to the country India here. See here. But I am doing my configuration in tax SG. Okay, but I will tell you this at a time of GST, how to prepare our own tax here.
Yes, sir. See, when you have
Yes.
provided me the tax procedure VAT, VATTY, in that there is some step from 10 to 100, something like that. I couldn't understand that. What
Yeah,
exactly?
yeah,
If you can,
that we see. Now you just you now what you do, now you
yeah.
just use this tax SG. Okay. Now you
I'm
don't
currently
everything.
using
Okay.
VAT1 because if I'm using the text SG, it doesn't allow me to post the invoice. It says that I show you via screenshot that uh,
Yeah. See. Sometime you might be getting something like this. You might. I just show you it. Like while you post entry, you might be getting like this. I just show you.
so can you please
Okay.
post an invoice in my company code? I can understand
Yeah.
better.
No. In my company code also I can show you. See, the country was assigned wrong here that time. Tax procedure. See what I assigned now? IN tax S1. Getting? Now I'll try
Yes.
to post an entry. See, you might get error like this. I'll just show you. For that, we need to change that tax SG country. I'll show you what is that.
Okay.
Just show you. You might be getting error like this. You might be getting error like this. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Exactly?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Why the reason is because see here what someone has done. The T code for direct code for this is OBBG. Okay, you can directly go from here. If you
Okay.
get like this error, if you get like this error, go to this
Yeah.
code. Okay, and find country India. See Here you can assign tax SG. Okay, because I have done configuration in this particular procedure. Okay, I
Okay.
will show you, I will tell you how to create your own procedure at the time of GST topic. See here.
So can you please post one entry in my, because I've tried
Yeah, yeah,
today
yeah,
as well,
yeah,
but
yeah. I'll post and show you. See, tax SG I taken now. I'll say
yeah.
this. Okay.
Okay.
Now the entry I should do once again when I change that. Okay, you should do once again entry because the changes will take effect once you do the refresh the entry. I'll show
Okay.
you once again. See now I'll show in my company, then I'll show you yours also. Now I changed the setting. Now I can post it. Got it? Tell me your company code. What is your company code?
IN 18.
IL 18.
18.
First one, date you are given, amount you have taken, you have taken calculate tax, you have taken here as a sold to third party, then you selected your sales account.
201 is.
What is your tax code for IN 18?
Output tax
Out,
is 05.
output tax is 05.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
But don't know why that time it says that in table
That
T030K.
that 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 that's what this one. I told you this one only. See, I show you what error you are getting. Now I show you. See, some other users people have assigned their tax procedure because this
Yes,
software is
sir.
used by multiple people. Got it? So what they do,
Right.
they have saved their tax procedure here. Now what they do? Now you try to post your entry. See here, you will get the same error. You post your own entry now, so you will get this error here.
Yes, the same one. The table does not exist. Something like this.
The table entry does not exist. Save it is show you. What you should do for that? For that you should go for OBBG. Okay,
Okay.
code you can go. You can find a country India. You can assign tax SG because you have done your tax settings in this procedure. Okay, then you can save it. I'll
So
tell you how to create this procedure.
okay. So should
Now,
I
now
remove
what?
Veti when you told me?
Yeah, that you should remove that. This was assigned no. Whatever it may be here, whatever it may be. Okay, something like
Yeah.
this will be there. Okay, you should remove that and you should give here. You should remove and you should give tax SG. Okay, then you should save and then you should do your entry. Once again, you should do the entry. You cannot directly proceed it now. See, after changing directly, you cannot proceed directly. It is still through the same error. You should take back and you should do once again entry. You got it?
Yes, sir.
What they do, they change here, they save, but they don't take back and do the entry directly. They will do. So that time it doesn't take. You got it?
Yes.
Now you can post entry. You got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
It's a very simple error, common error. Okay. So guys, I have completed today the vendor invoice also. So what I will do next topic. So next topic we have a foreign currency valuation. Okay. So foreign currency valuation I start tomorrow. Meanwhile, I will drop you a 50% course computation of email to your email ID. I'm audible to you, Nitin. You also, Nitin, are you able to hear me? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Nitin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Aman and Nitin and the people who see the recording. I'll drop you a 50% course. Yeah, tell me.
Completed.
Hello. Yeah, tell me, Aman. What are you telling me?
You are saying that it is 50% completed our course.
Yeah, 50% is completed. 50% is completed, and we have still this many topics. Still, we are there. Okay. So what I will do, I'll drop your text of 50% course completion. Then I will start you with the foreign currency valuation from tomorrow.
No,
Okay. I'll
they
tell me.
have given us PDF, a PDF in which there are many other topics are there. So all the topics will be covered, right?
See, this document, what is there already? I emailed you this one. In this, whatever are there, everything I'll cover, and controlling integrations also I'll cover. Okay, that is more than enough. That is more than enough for you, because in that PDF which they have given you, this all also covers in that.
No, the PDF
Okay.
shared by the
institute people which they shared in PDF. No, I know that
Yes.
PDF. Even I also have that PDF. But in that there are more extra things which the people are not using these days. Even if you want them, I'll tell you one by one. Once I complete this one all, because this is a interlinked project which I have done, and
Okay, yeah.
which are
So,
yeah.
yeah. Because if I have to compare, I just compare with the PDF only, because okay, not any problem. So you can complete this major one and then you can
See,
cover.
some are there which I have added in this topic, which are there which are not there in that PDF.
Okay, sir.
Okay, some
So
are there
the
like very important things which are company people are right now they're using. Yeah, tell me.
mass reversal and the individual reversal has not been. You told us that system issue was there
Yeah.
at that.
I will tell you. You just make a list of that. I'll tell you. Okay, so we can go that. Once this everything is done, we can go. We'll do that also. Mars reversal, individual reversal. That is very easy also. I'll tell you that. That is just
Oh,
5 minutes class. It is. That is very easy to do. I'll tell you. Okay.
okay, sir.
So meanwhile,
Got it.
see why I'm dropping you this text is because your institution people takes lots of time to make a payment.
Yes.
Until that, I may complete it until cash around also. Until your payment gets received to me, it will take a lot
Yeah.
of time. They are very slow. That is why. That is why
Okay.
just drop your text. That is why just drop your email. You can just reply to that. The 50% code has been completed. Okay. Fine, Aman. Everything clear? Nitin, how about you? You are following the videos.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, guys. Then see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I start with the foreign currency valuation. Fine, Aman.
Yes, sir. Got it. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Keep practicing everything. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.